Now I will discuss on with our channels and our products. So now I will show our jute laptop bags. This is the full of total of jute products for you, for your friend, for your family. Why are jute is important? At the first, jute is the all processing things, and jute's fiber is necessary for humanity, human health, and the many things. Because today is the plastic world, and plastic world goes to must be needed jute product. So we will show you our jute laptop bag. This jute laptop bag for you, it is the more comfortable. That's why it's called eco-friendly laptop bag. Not only you are used here your laptop, but also you used your conference, your office, and your the other things. As you can use your university level, because university level is so good and you look extraordinary and smartness for yourselves. These bags for you. And why these jute laptop bags? The jute laptop bags have the 4 integrable things and the fiber, because here we are use the smooth the fibers and jute product. Yarn, the yarn quality, we are going to our village and collect the good yarn for you. And this yarn has been making our total jute laptop bags. So things that here has the 4 particular things, and for the oil has been will use our jute product, and that's why you will be get the extraordinary in yourselves. Besides the qualities, this color, the weight, and this capability is the good for you. For the example, this color is full of made of individual and Asian colors. This is the Asian colors explains our European styles, and this colors is the full of natural color. For natural colors has been here made in the color, and this color we are incredible in by hand. So hand making colors, so that's why you will get the good chance of it. And this chamber poured into the then. Its chamber have the 2 parts. The first part you have put the laptops, and here is the resin products and foam. Foam is important for you. These foams protect your laptop as the when you are push in the something for it. For the example, when you are walking at the road, the some of people has been pushed in his hand or the vehicle pushed in his hand. But protect your laptop as this foam. That's why undercover the resin will use here our foam. And foam is very soft. That's why your laptop will be protected. The second chamber, this second chamber, see that. Here, where use not only your laptops. You can use here your official instrument, your papers, your conference letters, and many things. For the example, this is the cookies. Where we use here our instrumentals. That's why your file will be not over of it. If our chain has been cutted, you can use here, your file will be not losses. And that's why is here also used in by our especially foam. That's why this product has been laptop when you get the post, you will be not scam of the time. And that's your zip system is high quality zips. For the example, I will show you. You can't believe. Do you know boy? What's the chain here used on the zips? Because it's very easily. You can here and high performance zips. Besides, these have the full of jute instrumental colors. And here is the colors of orange colors, because this colors has been smooth, soft, and look smartly. For the example, this bag weight totally per half 620 gram only. When you are used your huge laptop, it weighted not only over more than, and when you will feel very easy for yourself. That's why our product has been no conveyance. You can use it as your mind and as your things. Here, this is the other pocket. This pocket you can use many things, many product, many combination, and other side. You can use here the mobile charger. You can use here the mobile charger not only. You can use here the mobile charger, your circuit cameras, light, and anything. You can put here your Android phone when you are working. You can travel in this bag as is the area in the world. When you travel with this bag, someone attracted to you. How ordinary, how considered, extra smartness for yourselves and looking every moment, and you will get the good chance. For the example, how? When I go you with the university, so universities people show you because use the eco-friendly bags. And there is not only users of the laptop, in our family, in your travels, when you are going to the university, as the conference. So you can use the handle moment. This handle quality is full of good and it is very strong. But when you are carrying it, your hand will be not wet because here use the foams with cotton and it will be smooth and push. So you can take it, our product, as soon as. And there is the extra pocket back side. Follow that. You can, here is the bottle and bottle product and the many things. So not only weight, you can ask me how the weight I has the carry on the bottles or how some of the come of the range your laptop will be weight. No, my brother. That's why we're thinking our product some extra condition. So at first I show you our action. Follow that. This action is waterproof. So your laptop when come rain, it will be not wet. Wet here only jute yarn. Your product will be safe here because it is full of waterproof. Your laptop, your paper, your document, your books not will be wet because it is 100% waterproof. But it is true that there is not increment and indicativity. It's an experience net expiry. But some of the days is goes to waste. But not now. You can use here this bag totally the 5 years. I will granted that for you because this vaccine is very not expensive and not OT. So you can use here. Our laptop bags will be for you, for your family and for your things. So my brother, if you buy it, I confirm that you will be get the extraordinary because plastic has been comes and world leader says plastic goes to our harmful for our family, for our health. So 100% world has been decided that 70% toxin and oxygen and carbon dioxide completed. That's why we used as for the example, you can see the Google, you or the world leader said the full of wasted products and plastic will be not and it is full of avoided. That's we thinking this idea because if we use jute, if we with the eco-friendly things, we will get a good product, good world and good community. Thank you. So 100% it is sure that if you buy our product, I will give you 100% community. It is extraordinary, it is eco-friendly and it will be good things for your future, your family, your health. So I inspire you to check it and buy it. Thank you for being with us. Besides, you can like and share our channel so that we will give the other jute products for you, for your friends and your family and the world things. Thank you.